I love soldering. It's almost my favorite. Very meditative for me. As you can see, I hold my iron almost straight up and down. I'm getting results. This edge that you see right here is called zinc, and you need it. I put zinc on every window I do, nearly 100% of them. There are circumstances. They're so rare they're not worth mentioning. Otherwise, on a straight edged panel, I'm going to have zinc on it nearly 100% of the time. In this long panel of 80 3/4 inches as a side light, there is no reinforcement. My design is that strong to where this panel does not need reinforcement. On some level, that's quite a taboo in stained glass, to have something that big non-reinforced. But I'm confident in my ability, in what I make and what I sell. Steel wool off soldering iron. I don't use a sponge. It kills the tip eventually. Think about it. Raging hot iron in cold water. Use all kinds of methods when I solder. I might tap it. This would be tapping. I may tap a line. I get excellent results, and then I go back over it. I may do some sideways stuff if I'm running into a particular area of difficulty. It all varies, or I should say, there are times that it varies. I'm using just a cheap, no corrode flux that you can literally buy at True Value or Home Depot, and it works excellent. I'm getting excellent results out of it. Here we go. 2 irons turned on, full blast. Thank you for watching. Dichroic Glass Man.